The first item in your family advent kit is a challenge card with family activities.
The second item in your family advent kit is a Christmas ornament for your tree.
The third item in your family advent kit is a happy birthday Jesus party bag.
The fourth item in your family advent kit is a CM flyer with ways to serve.
The fifth item in your family advent kit is the December memory verse card.
The sixth item in your family advent kit is conversation starter cards. The final item in your family advent kit is an advent coloring wreath. Conversation starter cards, flyer with ways to serve, memory verse cards, happy birthday Jesus party bag, Christmas ornament, and a challenge card with family activities.
Pick up your family advent kit on November 29th, 4 to 5 p.m. and December 2nd, 6:30 to 7:30 p.m.
Merry Christmas!